7 ways to make $150 a day online for beginners. Are you ready to change your financial future? Imagine earning $150 a day online. Today, we'll explore 7 effective ways to achieve that. Whether you're a student or a stay-at-home parent, these methods can work. Many people stress about making ends meet. With the rise of the internet, opportunities abound. You don't need experience or advanced skills to get started. Let's dive into 7 methods that can help you reach your goal. First, freelancing is a popular option. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to offer services. You can write, design, or even manage social media. Picking a skill you enjoy is key. Spend time setting up your profile and showcase your talent. Next up is affiliate marketing. You promote products and earn a commission for sales. Start with platforms like Amazon or ClickBank. Create content around your chosen niche. Share through blog posts or social media for greater reach. Third, consider online tutoring. If you excel in a subject, share your knowledge. Platforms like tutor.com connect you with students. You can set your rate and schedule. It's fulfilling and can be quite lucrative. The fourth method is dropshipping. It involves selling products without holding inventory. Choose a niche, find suppliers, and set up an online store. Shopify or WooCommerce are great platforms. This requires minimal upfront investment. Fifth, think about teaching online courses. If you're knowledgeable about a topic, create a course. Platforms like Udemy allow you to publish and earn. Share your expertise, and students will pay for valuable content. Next, consider paid surveys or market research. Companies want your feedback on products. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks offer cash for your opinions. While it won't make you rich, it can contribute to your daily goal. Lastly, explore stock photography. If you love photography, sell your images online. Sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock allow you to upload. Each download earns you money. Invest time into quality images for better returns. To recap, there are 7 ways to potentially earn $150 a day. Freelancing, affiliate marketing, online tutoring, dropshipping, teaching courses, surveys, and stock photography are all viable options. Each offers flexibility, and can be done from home. Now, it's your turn. Choose a method that excites you. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your income grow. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on online earning. Let's get started together.